St. Bernard's is a very special place, and it's been able to hold on to a sense of important tradition since its inception. But I think to elevate that tradition and the perception of the school, we had to step up the physical plan. We started early on just by redoing all the restrooms in the building. We made the investment in the wireless internet. We realized that it was essential to our mission to teach 21st century skills. We put some dramatic color into the library. We changed the lighting. We changed the entire layout, and instantly it became inhabited by more students than we've seen in years. They're doing their own research, and they have access to the world in their own hands. The Media Center gives us the opportunity for distance learning. This just puts us light years ahead of a computer or even a cell phone. We now have the technology to do that.
And I could feel being really cramped and cluttered and just felt not clean after the renovations. Way more space, the lights were nice and bright. You felt like you could move around, you felt like you could interact, you felt like you could just be more vibrant and awake and focus on what's important here.
The improvements have really just created an atmosphere that makes people proud of their school. All my older siblings were able to go, but growing up it was always, would it still be here? Would it still be open? Would St. Bernard's still be able to take students in? It's definitely changed completely, turned around. I've given tours for the past 4 years, and from freshman year, we went from explaining why we had leaks in our ceilings and why we had cracks in our floors to now I'm no longer making excuses because I don't have to. And we're really able to be proud of the school that we go to.
People have been very generous with the Hendricks Challenge, and we've tried to thank each person who's donated, whether it's $1 or $100,000. We've tried to thank each one personally. Maureen Hendricks and her husband have been the spark that really started not only the renovation, but the rejuvenation of the school. It's more than just the capital improvements we've been able to make. The outreach to the alumni, it gave new and old students a sense of excitement. And quite frankly, it reached deeply into the local communities who are wondering about the future of St. Bernard's School. When they see the investment that the diocese has made, when they see what the Hendricks Challenge has done, when they see how the alumni has kicked in, it really is a renaissance, and it's very exciting.